Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with something else that y'all just might not know about Pro Tools, man. Let me ask you something. You ever been in the middle of recording a session or mixing a session, and then all of a sudden Pro Tools just crash out, like the screen just disappear, all of the windows close, Pro Tools is no more, it just shuts down on you. Not only was you pissed off because that happened, but I'm sure you like, oh my God, my session, all the work that I just did, I'm finna help you out. I'm about to show you where you can recover your sessions at, man. Don't worry about it, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Let's get into the video. All right, so Pro Tools is closed out on you. So in this case, we are in our Finder window. So we're gonna navigate to where the session actually is. In this example, mine is on the desktop. So we're gonna click on it right there. So look, you notice a bunch of folders in here, the audio files, the bounce files, and the actual session file, but then you actually have this session file backups folder. This is where Pro Tools saves every I think you can set it for different ones, different time settings or whatever, but it saves, I have mine set for every 5 minutes. My session will save automatically every 5 minutes, and each of those saves are listed in that folder right there. That's how you get to it, man. No more will you have to worry about starting all the way over again, some of y'all. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you do it, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up, man. Peace.